Hi there. In this video, I will answer your question number 19, 20 and 21 from Pearson Edexcel IGCSE exam paper 2H. It was taken in November 2023. Let us start question number 19. The function f and g are such that f of x is 5x plus 7, g of x is 5 over 2x minus 9. First part, state which value of x cannot be included in any domain of g. We know that domain is the values of x, and denominator cannot be equals to 0 in any fraction. So to get the answer for this part, you must put here 2x minus 9 should not equals to 0. From here you will get the value for 2x, 9 goes the other side, is not equals to 9, and the value of x should not be equals to 4.5. We will divide by 2 both sides. So this answer is the answer for the first part, 4.5. Now for second part, we need to find f of g of 4. To get the answer for g of 4, you should consider g of x. G of x is equals to 5 over 2x minus 9. First of all, you need to find g of 4. G of 4 will be 5 over 2. Substitute x as 4 minus 9, and if it is 8 minus 9 is negative 1, so answer is negative 5. To get the answer for f of g of 4, better you write this way: f of g of 4 inside the bracket. Now we know that the value for g of 4 is negative 5, so you can replace it here, f of negative 5. Now our function is only related to f only. This is composite function, here is a single function, here f only. So f of x is this one. So here instead of x you should replace x with negative 5. This negative 5 you should replace in the f function. So we'll get here 5 into negative 5 plus 7. And finally our answer is negative 25 plus 7 is negative 18. So negative 18 is the answer for this part. Move on. The function h is such that h of x is 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Here h of x is given. It is equals to 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Express the inverse of h of negative 1. So first step of finding the inverse, replace this function as y. Then 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Whenever you have a quadratic function here, so there is the only way to find the inverse, we will complete the square. To complete the square, first of all, coefficient of x square should be 1. To make here 1, we will take 3 common with the same number. So it will be x square minus 4x here plus 8. Now the next step, this is the first step. Second step, look at the coefficient of x. We always take the half of this number. Okay, we take half of this number. So this will be the complete square here. What is this half of this number? That is 2. So it will become the complete square minus 2. Because the 2 square you are adding here, the same 2 square you have to subtract. Okay. Here let me tell you what what I'm doing here. Actually we are adding and subtracting 2 square. Got it? For this is the complete square of this part. This is the answer for that part, and this 2 square comes from there. That's it. Last number is here, plus 8. Hopefully you understand this step. Now this is the second step. Now the next step is just only multiply 3 inside the bracket. So 3 will multiply the first bracket. It will be 3 into x minus 2 whole square, and this is 4, negative 4, multiply 3, it becomes negative 12 plus 8. And here is y. Simplify further, we get here 3 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4. So we completed the square now. Now the next step to find the inverse, we replace the variables x and y. We will replace them. That's it. So here is x and 3 into y minus 2 whole square minus 4. Then we will make y as subject. That will be our inverse actually. 4 goes on left side, so it becomes x plus 4 equals to 3 into y minus 2 whole square. 3 goes down because it is multiplying, so you can write as y minus 2 whole square equals to x plus 4 divided by 3. To get rid of this square, we will take square root of both sides. Therefore, so I'm writing it over here. So y minus 2 is equals to, inverse is always positive, I will take the positive value only, x plus 4 divided by 3 square root. This 2 goes on right side and y will be equals to x plus 4 divided by 3 and plus 2. This y is the inverse of h of minus x. X plus 4 divided by 3 and plus 2. So this is the answer for this part. X plus 4 divided by 3 plus 2. Question number 20. The diagram shows equilateral triangle ABC, sides of length 10 cm. A circle is drawn inside the triangle. A triangle, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 for sure. This angle is 60, this angle is 60, 60. And all sides are equal as well. Now, D, E, F are points on the circle. A, D, B, EBC and CFA are tangent to the circle. Tangent means they are touching the circle at one point only. That's it. They are tangent. This is this line is touching at one point only. Calculate the total area of the region shaded. To find the area shaded, we will subtract the area of circle from the area of triangle. It is very much clear from there. So area of triangle formula, if you remember, for area of triangle, that is equals to half AB sine theta. AB sine theta. You can find area of triangle by using this formula. Because sides are given, angle is given. This angle is 60. You can take any angle. So we can find area of triangle. Now to find area of circle, we should know the radius. Area of circle formula is area of circle formula is pi r square. So we'll subtract these two. So we need to find r. That's it. So how to find r radius? This is the matter in this question only. This is the tricky thing in this question only. Join vertex with the midpoint. For sure, this line and that line. Okay, and here, if you join them, they will meet at one point, center. This is the radius, center circle. Center of the circle. This point is the center of the circle, and we can say this will be the radius, this one. And if it is the midpoint, we can say this side is 5, and if this angle is 60, it is touching at the midpoint and it is the line of symmetry, so this angle will be 30 degree for sure. Okay, let's say this is O. I will consider triangle CEO. You can say this is a right triangle, and we could find easily the radius of this circle. So first task to find the radius of this circle. In triangle CEO, opposite over adjacent is 10. We can say 10, 30 equals to R over 5. And R will be equals to 5, 10, 30. We get answer as 5 square root 3 divided by 3. So this is the radius. The shaded area will be equals to area of triangle minus area of circle. So area of triangle formula I already told you there, that is 1 over 2 multiply AB. A and B are two sides, and the sine theta, theta is the angle between those two sides. Here the sides are 10 and 10, and sine 60 degree in triangle, minus area of circle, that is pi r square. Here this will cancel out. 5 multiply 10, 50. 50 sine 60 equals 25 square root 3 minus pi r, that is 5 square root 3 divided by 3 square. 25 square root 3 minus pi, and here, and this one is equals to 25 over 3. Calculate the area to 3 significant figures only, so you can write your answer to in decimal form. Write as is in your calculator, you will get the final answer here. Final answer will be 17.1. That's it. Question number 21. The line with the equation x plus 2y equals to 5 intersects the curve with equation x square plus 3y square plus 13 at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and coordinates of B. Show clear algebraic working. This question is much easier. We will solve these two equations simultaneously. This is quadratic equation and this one is linear equation. So easily we can get the value of x from here, 5 minus 2y, and we can substitute this one here in equation number 1. Substitute. So it will be 5 minus 2y whole square plus 3y square equals to 13. Now expand the bracket. 5 square is 25 and product it is minus, so minus and 2 times product of these two numbers. 2 multiply 5 is 10, 10 multiply 2 20, 20y, and then square of this value plus 4y square plus 3y square, and you can bring 13 on left side to form a quadratic union in terms of y. So these like terms, they are like terms, so we can solve them together. It will be 7y square minus 20y, keep as is, 25 minus 13 is 12 equals to 0. If you don't know factorization, you can use quadratic formula to solve this equation. For 7 and 12, 7 multiplied 12 is 84. We always multiply these two numbers. 7 and 12 is 84. And look at the pair that will make the middle number. There are many pairs, but just only negative 14 and negative 6 will make 84 positive, and if you use these two numbers here, so it will make negative 20. So we can factorize, we can separate the middle number into these two numbers. So it will be 7y square minus 14y minus 6y plus 12 equals to 0. Now find the common between first two. So common is 7y and it left with y minus 2, and here common is negative 6, so it left with y minus 2 equals to 0. Now y minus 2 is common again, so write one time only, and in the next bracket write the numbers values left over there. That is 7y minus 6 equals to 0. So y minus 2 equals to 0 and 7y minus 6 equals to 0. Y will be equals to 2, so y is 2, and from here you get the value for y, that will be equals to 6 over 7. 6 goes right side and then divide by 7, so y is this value. Now we will find the corresponding x value for these two numbers when y is 2, because x equals to 5 minus 2y, x equals to 5 minus 2y, we will substitute this value here, 5 minus 2 into 2, and answer is 1. X is 1. Now you can get the value for x for this value of y, 5 minus 2 into 6 over 7. Solve these two, 35 minus 12, 23 over 7. So x is 23 over 7. Coordinates of A will be, let's say this is A, so it will be 1 and 2, and B will be, because first value we write from x, that's it, 23 over 7 and 6 over 7. Given space 1 and 2 and 23 over 7 and 6 over 7. So this is question number 21. 21 is done. If you did not understand in this video any part, any step, please write in the comment box. Thank you so much.